Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you best forex trading strategy. We open GBP JPY in H1 time frame. Now this strategy we need only one indicator, the TSI indicator. Now we change some TSI indicator settings. A signal to buy is generated when the TSI crosses above zero line. Now here is indicator sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. We set stop loss candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. A signal to sell is generated when the TSI crosses below zero line. Now here is indicator buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. We set stop loss lowest point of candle. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.